Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw 6 Peppa Pig faces for all the colors of the rainbow. At first, I'm going to draw Peppa's 2 eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. Finally, her 2 ears. Now I am going to repeat the same steps 5 more times. Are you thinking why I draw her head 6 times? Because I would like to color them according to the colors of the rainbow. A rainbow has 6 basic colors. If you want Peppa Pig's favorite color is red, mine too. But you can use different colors, of course. Now I am using this black marker to make it more visible and lovely. Good job! At first, I am going to use red for the first Peppa face, because red is the first color of the rainbow. Peppa wears a red dress almost every day, and the car of the pig family is red. For the second face, I am going to use orange, which is the second color of the rainbow. Mommy Pig's dress is orange too. For the third Peppa face, I use the third color of the rainbow, which is yellow. The fourth face is going to be green. Daddy Pig's clothes are also green. I am going to use the color blue for the fifth Peppa face. George Pig's clothes are also blue. I am going to use purple for the last face. Good job! Excellent! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.